Welcome to the Berkeley Chef. I'm Kayla Berkeley, and today we are going to make our mom's favorite potato scallop recipe that will be scrumptious, delicious, nutritious, and healthy. So we are going to use our food processor here. This makes life 100 times easier. It slices up all the potatoes super quick. Or if you don't have a food processor though, you can use the old traditional way by cutting the potatoes by hand and you still get the job done. So let us get started. Okay, so now we are going to be chopping the potatoes and it will be super quick. And so now we see how fast it is. Let's check it out. Take the blade off. Whoa. We're already done. Now it's like no more than a minute. Super quick. Okay, so now we have our potatoes and now we're gonna make the delicious sauce. So we have our high-speed trusty blender here again. We're gonna put about 2 cups of water into the blender, some sunflower seeds, onion, 3 garlics, some oregano, black pepper and salt, and our herbs, rosemary, sage, and chives. Okay, so now we are going to blend it all up. Yeah, it smells really delicious. We're gonna pour our sauce. Okay, so we're gonna mix everything up together. All the nice delicious sauce. Oh, don't forget our onions too. Okay, now we're gonna mix the onions with the potatoes up. And we're gonna put our chives. So now we are going to take the potatoes out. Now for the sauce, make sure the sauce is creamy. Okay, and add all this. Put everything into this casserole. Now before you put the potatoes, you gotta make sure it's oiled. Okay, now we pour a little extra sauce that we have left. And just even out.
A Berkeley Chef interruption.
Hi, I'm Caleb. Is your child struggling to learn how to read? Well, I was like that too. When I was younger, I was struggling to read until I found some easy reader books that helped me learn to read. It was just so much fun reading them. When I grew up, I created these books to help other children like your child learn how to read too. So we'll take one book for an example here. We take this one, Roll the Ball. It's a fun book to read. Well, I created it, so. So when we open this book, it is printed in color with hand-drawn pictures drawn by either me or my brother Elisha. It also has big, easy words to help your child learn how to read. Plus, that's right, there's more. There's puzzles at the end to help your child with their memory skills. So make sure to grab all of these 5 books here on Amazon.com or Amazon.ca or scan this QR code here to take you to the book. Thank you for your support. Bye! So now we're going to put this casserole we're going to put the potato scallop to bake for 35 to 40 minutes in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And we see when it's finished. Before I put it to bake, I forgot to put the smoked paprika and some chili flakes. Now, if you like cheese, you could sprinkle the cheese first some vegan cheese, and then you sprinkle this on top of it. So we're gonna do that. Smelling really nice. So now we're gonna put it to bake. Now the potato scallop is done baking. We made one with cheese here, and one without. And the one I showed you how to make was the one without cheese. So the cheese one turns out looks really good, and this one look really good too. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys learned something. Make sure to subscribe and share this video, and we'll see you next time. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Make sure to share this video with your friends and family and give it a like. And if you want to see more videos of me, you can click up here and subscribe to our channel by clicking here. And we'll see you next time. Bye!